Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. So, depressing news I just read online. There is an organization that, they had a corrupt database. So they went to their backups. They had full backups, and they had log backups, but they were taking the full backups with one tool and the log backups with a different tool, and they had never tested a restore from both tools. So they knew they could do the full restore, and they just assumed they could do the log restore. And now they have a corrupt database. And so the good full backup is 3 days old, so they're going back to the full backup. They're doing restore, but that restore can only, weird tool, can only restore to a live database, and it can only do a full recovery. It cannot stop and do a no recovery restore, and then therefore they can apply logs on it. Okay, so I don't want to go on a rant. I'm trying desperately not to go on a rant. But here's the thing, and I've said this before, I've said it before, I'll say it again. You must test your backups. You must test your backups. There's taking a backup is good, right? Taking a backup with using any tool, right? I don't care what tool you use, taking a backup is good. If you need to restore your data, you need to test the ability to do that restore. And the way you test that ability to do the restore is to restore that database to another server, or to the server you're on under a different name, whatever. You need to test the processes of recovery with the systems you're using to do your backup. If you cannot recover stuff, you don't have backups. You just have files that you're writing out to a storage system someplace, right? Oh yeah, we've got these transaction log files. We've got stacks and stacks and stacks of them, weeks and weeks and weeks and days, and they're all there. Yay, we win! Until we try to restore. Oh God, I'm turning into a rant. It fails. Guys, please, your job as data professionals is to protect the information under management for the organizations whom you are working for, or if you're consulting, whom you're working with, right? You must protect that data. You protect that data, yes, by doing backups, but also by testing restores. If you cannot restore that database, that backup is useless. Therefore, you must do the test. Please. I mean, this poor organization, I'm reading about them online. I'm trying to help them where I can, but I don't know. I mean, I can't go in there and start editing the log files to try to reattach to things that aren't. It ain't going to happen, right? I'm not that guy. But basically, it looks like they've lost 3 days worth of data. 3 days ain't that bad, because depending on when you took your last good backup, when last time you tested, it could be 3 weeks, it could be 3 months, it could be 3 years, it could be your business. So please, for the love of goo, test your backups. Thanks. That's all I want to say today. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.